Then he touched upon this and he asked a very pertinent question, even which I sometimes probe and ask. The launch of the Lancet Commission on Reimagining India's health system has asked us, is probing us to ask a question: are we building a health system for yesterday's diseases or tomorrow's India? Are we building a health system which is going to be challenging, where we are not just paying for care, but we are also ensuring that people are guided through the systems with dignity and continuous processes? He's the founding CEO of Ayushman Bharat. He says, I've witnessed the promise and limitations of health reform firsthand. When the scheme was first launched in 2018, many doubted whether India can actually pull it off or not, as the government's world funded health assurance program. 8 years after this, outcomes are hard to ignore. More than 10 crore hospital treatments have been provided, and one estimate households have nearly 2 lakh crore, whatever. I mean, please read this. I've not been through this and stuff, but generally, he says that India's health outcomes have without doubt improved over the decades. However, he says the same, a child born in a poor district or a marginalized community still faces far worse health prospects than one born into an urban middle class family, because there is a distinction between the sections and stuff, and at the same time we've not been able to address this disparity between climate crisis and the non-curable diseases and mental health, etc., etc., etc. So Ayushman Bharat has been considerably successful. However, there are limitations to be addressed and stuff and all that. And he says that we still feel that there must be a comprehensive, people-centric, coordinated system in place and stuff, where quality, dignity, and respect must count, and equity must be treated as a core measure of success. So, you see, what I was saying is that, I was reading it from a very light-hearted point of view and stuff. The point is, when I read Mr. Bill Gates' messages, and I was sharing this, that the Goal Keepers campaign really strikes a bell, because they've really shared about people who are alive because of whatever campaigns they've undertaken and the work they're doing and stuff. And with my experience and everything, I mean, I know that reality is a hard or a difficult, pill to kind of digest and stuff. We have systems and processes in place. We've got the necessary infrastructures. We've got the